Welcome to the Andrew Club. In this video, let me show you guys how to apply for a Bank of America credit card using a CPN number. So these are all the credit cards you guys can apply for. This is the main credit card. So depending on your credit score, if you have a 700 credit score, you can get around 5,000 to 10,000, but you will have to have lots of history, at least 2 to 3 years. If you have an 800 credit score, you can get way more. But really, the more trade lines you have on your profile, the longer the history, the higher the credit lines you can get approved for. You can apply for as many credit cards as you want. You can apply for this. You can go through Chase, Wells Fargo, Amex, American Express. You can apply for as many credit cards as you want. You got to keep in mind, the more hard inquiries, the more likely you get denied. But if you have a good credit score, that don't really matter much, just to make sure you don't have way over 15 or 20. So a good strategy is to add some trade lines. Trade lines are credit accounts. Those basically help you get approved, okay? So for example, if you guys have a 30K primary trade line through Chase or any other bank, it won't matter. The lenders, the banks will look at this and they see all the payment history, right? They're going to be like, okay, this guy, I can trust this guy. I will lend him a credit card with a high balance. That's what they'll think. And this one reported 2 days ago. This one is from Dollar Trade Lines. If you go on the site and scroll down to primaries, this is the one I got right here. So this reported 2 days ago. It reports within 30 days, but the fastest it reports with is about 2 weeks. But I think you could expedite it, but they do have autos as well. Right here, and another site to get it from is tradelines.ssn.com. So this one's a good one, and they have other ones right here. And they do also have CPN pre-bills and loans and stuff, so you guys can just go through there. But basically, having trade lines is very important. Trade lines add history. If you max out your credit cards, it lowers the credit utilization, which boosts your score like crazy. So the more you add, the more likely you will get qualified with low interest rates. And when you apply online, you can get the credit card mailed within 5 to 7 business days. And from there, you can add it to your Cash App, Apple Pay, or whatever, and cash it out. So that'd be pretty much it, guys. Visit the websites for trade lines, and I'll see you in the next one.